Hi, welcome to my new, Nerf gun survival tips things. I just got back from New Hampshire. I showed you in my update. Storyland, head to Santa's Village right at the day after. Okay, so I'm going to show you 3 of the types of Nerf guns survival tips, okay? And I'm only going to show you 1 bullet. I have to pick up all the Nerf guns, okay? I have to pick them up. Because, I have Nerf guns. And I have to load them. So I'm sorry, but I don't know how to do all the editing magic. Because I don't know how to edit. If you laugh at me, I know, but a lot of other people know how to edit, and they edit stuff and say stuff, and they edit it, and they edit something in, and it's really fake. So, yeah, I'm gonna put every 1 bullet in each gun, cause and I'm gonna cock all the guns. Cock it. Cock it. Okay. Let me just move the guns now. I wish I knew how to just take the video and just move it somewhere. I think you need multiple cameras to do that. Ha. Okay, now I have moved it. And I think I have to talk a little louder because I don't have one of those things. The phone and point it towards me, okay? Okay, Mom? Okay, so if you're using a Nerf pistol, always remember that if the barrel is slanted, it will go up. So hold it like this, tilted your hand if you want it to go straight, okay? And always remember, so you gotta put the bullet in, cock it, and put your finger here when you're aiming. And then when you're about to shoot, put your finger at the trigger and then press it, and then stop. So, yeah. When you're handling a sniper, it's much different. You cock the gun. It's already cocked, I pre-cocked it. And now, you aim out the sights. And every sniper doesn't come with this scope. I got this. Aim out the sights. And then same exact thing. And then shoot it. And I only put 1 bullet. When you're handling a rifle, whenever you're aiming, extra. If it has a safety, put on the safety, and then do the other thing. Then do the usual. Snipe it down, do this, and then put your finger in the trigger, pull up the safety, and shoot it. That might have went off camera. Sorry, it's because I shot it and this thing was far. So yeah, Mom, why are you doing that? Why?
Are you done?
No.
Okay, I'm not holding this the whole time.
Okay.
So,
I'll hold it. I'll get it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
don't keep apologizing, but the point is, if you're gonna do these videos, we probably have some type of tripod or something.
Oh,
We
that's,
could probably set it up.
yeah.
I'm not holding it you 5, you just did like a 5-minute video.
Oh.
Like, that's a little much. 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, no, I just don't make long videos. And a lot of people make longer and longer and longer videos.
Yeah, but we all figure out your setup so you can do it.
Okay. Anyways, that was the intro. I always forget my introduction stuff. I just forgot it because I was like, you know what? I forgot because I haven't made a YouTube video in so long. Just, yeah. So, it always feels weird when I'm making a video because I'm just talking to a camera. It doesn't feel like I'm talking to anybody, but really I'm talking to thousands of people. So, yeah. Just walking around my house. I play golf. Do all that stuff. Yeah. Okay. And yeah. So no. Okay, sorry if my voice is like low because I don't have a speaker. And my mom right now is watching Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so I don't really have subjects. So, bye!